So today what we're going to work on is doing a 48-inch drop test 26 times on this M-Door W33X laptop. This laptop is ruggedized, it is certified military standard 810G, so it should survive. So we're going to start out. This laptop is on. It is in good condition. There's no defects. Looks like all of the doors are intact. Everything looks good for us to start the test. So let's see what happened. So here's what I noticed. The handle itself didn't make it. It looks like it popped out of this one side. This side made it pretty good. On the exterior, the little doors popped open, but they're still all intact. There is one thing I noticed about this, when I dropped it on its corners, it seemed like it had a better, easier time protecting itself when dropped on the corners. So the corners on this unit are pretty dead-gum tough. When you open it up, the screen, unfortunately, didn't make it through the drops, and I believe the screen broke when we dropped it on this side. You can see how it shattered. The keyboard is all intact. It looks like the bezeling on the inside here are all intact. But I noticed that the posts right here that fold down and go into these smaller holes here to hold the screen in place, I noticed that they're worn and broken. So there must be some stress that occurred from the dropping on these points as well, most likely on the corners. And quite honestly, that might be why that was the safest way to drop it. It was on the corners. The hinges, if you notice, the hinges made it through like with flying colors. A couple of things that did occur on the very first drop was the battery popped out right away. These two pieces right here popped out on every drop to the point where I just left them out when I dropped it because they kept popping out every drop. They were easily popped back in. I didn't notice any broken pieces. Overall, I don't expect any laptop, believe it or not, to survive the 26 drops that we did and come out unscathed. What I want to do is later on down the road, we're going to do more video on the drop test, and we're going to take the Panasonic Toughbook line through its drop tests, as well as the Dell and any G-Tac or Durabooks that we might have. So that's all I got for you today. Leave your comments down below so to ask questions. I'd like to know what you thought about the way we did the drop testing, and I'll see you guys next week.